Playing it cool with don't mind. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to delve into a common English expression, don't mind. This phrase is a handy tool in our conversational toolkit, helping us to express indifference or a lack of preference. So let's get started. Don't mind is a phrase we use when we want to express that we do not have a strong preference or that we do not feel strongly about a particular choice or situation. For instance, if your friend asks you whether you'd like to go to a park or a cinema, and you don't have a strong preference, you might say, I don't mind. This shows that you're happy with either option. Similarly, if someone asks if they can borrow your pen and you're okay with it, you might say, I don't mind. In this case, you're expressing that you have no objections. The phrase, don't mind, is typically used in two main contexts. 1. Responding to a choice or option. As mentioned earlier, if someone presents you with options, and you don't have a preference, you can use, don't mind. Example, would you like coffee or tea? Response, I don't mind, either is fine. 2. Responding to a request or question. If someone asks to do something and you have no objections, don't mind, can be your response. Example, may I open the window? Response, I don't mind, go ahead. It's important to note that don't mind conveys a casual and relaxed attitude. Now that we understand the basics, let's look at how don't mind can be used in different scenarios. 1. When being polite. When someone apologizes for something that didn't really bother you, you can say, I don't mind. Example, I'm sorry for arriving a bit late. Response, I don't mind at all. It's fine. 2. When making plans. If you're making plans and are easygoing about the details, don't mind is a good phrase to use. Example, should we meet at 5 or 6? Response, I don't mind. Whatever works for you. Remember, using don't mind shows you're flexible and considerate of other people's preferences or needs. And that's a wrap on the phrase, don't mind. Now you can confidently use it in your everyday English conversations. Remember, it's a great way to express that you don't have a strong preference or objection. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.